it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one that I found. God, it's gone through so many different names, folks. First it was Paldo World. Then it was GS Mart or KS Mart, one or the other. And now it's G Mart money. And this is Tomyum soup noodle from Acecook, Vietnam, specifically for the South Korean market, which leads me to a question. Do South Korean folks like Tomyum? I've never seen any Tomyum that I can think of that was specifically made for the South Korean market or made by South Koreans for the South Korean market. So I don't know. That's a trip. That's why I scooped it up when I saw it. I was like, ooh, what's this? So we're gonna add in liquid. It does not, that I could decipher, have any instructions, but I'm gonna go with the standard noodle cup regimen, which is pour this in, do 3 minutes. Once it's done with that, I'll stir it up, then I'll add this, which is the liquid sachet, and then we'll go from there, you know. That's logical to me. So my son Miles just drank an entire Dr. Pepper Zero, and I'm worried. I don't know what that's gonna do to the lining of the universe. It could be good or bad. I think I just hope he doesn't have there's no sugar in it, but I just hope the caffeine doesn't make him go insane. He sounds pretty upbeat in the living room. And Mimi's enjoying a thing called a push pop, which is like a cylindrical lollipop. So they were good last night. We actually, that was funny. So we go to the fireworks, and we're on the way home. He keeps asking me, Papa, what time is it? Is it 11:30 yet? I was like, we got home, it was 11:30. I was like, tell you what, you guys can stay up till midnight. So they stayed up till midnight. And I'm like, okay, is it nighttime? And they're like, yes. I'm like, not anymore, now it's morning. I'm like, what? It's tomorrow. It's no longer the 4th of July, it's the 5th of July. What? Yeah, so there you go. Worked out well. But yeah, that was fun hauling them around. They were running around like little banshees. Sounded like a frickin' war zone outside too. You're not supposed to light off fireworks around here. There's sign after sign after sign saying, no fireworks in Kenmore. And people don't care. People are gonna light off their junk if they want to. I don't care either. It's kind of like, if you're gonna see something get lit off, that'd be cool. You know, if people are gonna, it's like an extra bonus fireworks show. But a lot of it, it's like you go back this way and hit a city called Briar, which is barely a city, but it's a city. But it's almost unincorporated, and I don't know though, they got that speed trap. Cops like to get people over there. But anyways, people were lighting stuff out in the sticks, and you just like hear like boom. And when we were heading to the store earlier, somebody had dropped a pop it and it didn't pop. Miles stepped on it, went bang. So only one in our family that had any kind of firework go off at their own hand, so that's kind of cool. Or foot, I guess you could say. All right, here is our Vietnamese-made, Taiwanese, or South Korean cup noodle kind of thing. So let's give it a stir. I'm gonna add in our, this is a wee little, I guess it's paste. It's liquid. Oh yeah, this will be your spicy and your chili and your lemongrassy and all that. and oily. Oh yeah, definitely lemongrass in there. I got it on my finger. Alright. So it's the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Is this stuff any good? I don't know if it has shrimp in it. I'll bet you it does. It will when I'm done with it for sure, but... yeah, it says what it is. That's in English, and the rest of it is all in Korean. And it didn't have an import-export sticker on it, which I thought was really... I don't think it did. No. Cheers. Mmm. That nice little bit of oil. Very nice lemongrass aspect to it. I like that. Very bright, very much a Thai style Tomyum. I approve. Let's put it in here. And I'm going to give it a little bit of a makeover here. I want the noodle to just kind of hang out with itself. You stay with your noodle kind, noodle. I tried to get the kids to watch Close Encounters of the Third Kind. They were just not into it. I tell you what, that movie gives me chills. I want to go to Devil's Tower so bad. I don't know. That movie. I hope I get abducted by aliens, folks. If it happens, it'll be nice. Some crushed red pepper. A single large, I think they call that, yeah, colossal shrimp. Some holy basil from the garden. I'm going to add a couple sprigs of it. Oh, I don't know. That looks pretty nice. I'm going to go with that. Some sesame seed? Why not? Just the lightest amount. Yeah, I don't think we need to go much further than that. Yeah, this is a nice Tomyum, let me tell you. Yeah. Good. All right, thanks for watching. And now, the next one you're gonna see is not something that's made in Vietnam for the South Korean market. It's something that's made in South Korea for the package for the U.S. market. This is Samyang Bulldog Kimchi, artificial spicy chicken flavor, blah, blah, blah. Cook it, drain it, sauce it, do it up. So that's the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. Makes me happy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.